What's up guys, and welcome to a video where I'm just going to show you how to get a stack docklet on Rocketdock. So just type in stack docklet and go to the first link. It should be a Rocketdock link, and then at the bottom click download file. After the download, go to the folder. Now just click on the last option of extract. Now you will see inside the folder is another folder with images and stack docklet. Now you want to take the folder with the stack docklet.dll. So right click, cut, and then go to the folder where Rocketdock is located at. It should be at program files 86. Just go to Rocketdock and then make a new folder called Docklets, and then just paste it in. And as you can see, there is the folder. I already have this, and now you should be able to go on Rocketdock, add new item, and at the bottom stack docklet. So how to use this: right click on the docklet icon settings, and then the folder you choose, and then you choose a folder and a icon, so this one, and now you can sort them by date, name, creation, and choose one of the two modes and just click OK. Now as you can see, this is the fan. If you have a specific amount of programs inside the folder, it will automatically go to a grid instead of the fan. I don't personally like the fan, so I just put it on the grid, and yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.